Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to say the obvious here, but very nice movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but then you look down here at the volume, well above average volume on this one. So a lot of eyeballs on it going forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above $4. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 4, I am not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 4 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? Well, right now, pretty straightforward. Let me actually try to bring it in a view more. Right, there we go. So next key overall level of resistance is going to be that pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200-period moving average, and that is currently valued at $4.26. So keep a close eye on that going forward, as that'll be public enemy number one. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today, great volume. And it is just the start of the week, so the week is young. Still 4 days left to go, so it'll be very interesting to see if the price can build upon this momentum or not. But stay above that purple line, and give it enough time. It's really only a matter of time before the price will then be able to break up through that 200-period moving average. But definitely a great way to start off the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.